We're going to zhuzh this up just a little tiny bit.
I like that word, zhuzh.
Homemade is from the heart. It's a talking to me. This is not your grandmother's meatloaf. Air comes in there.
Okay.
Comes through the charcoal and then out the top. With the green egg, you can do anything that your mind tells you you can. We're going to be doing a meatloaf with brown sugar ketchup sauce. So we're going to do the sauce first, and it's a pretty basic sauce. There's a cup of ketchup, half a cup of brown sugar, and we have a half a cup of cider vinegar. Cider vinegar has a little more flavor. It'll give you a little fruitier taste. And so we're going to mix that up, dissolve the sugar, and then that's going to get set aside. Okay. We're going to mix our eggs, 2 large eggs. This seems like it has a lot of ingredients. This is not your grandmother's meatloaf. Then you're going to put a half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and mix that in there. And then you're going to do some Dijon mustard. This is just a teaspoon of Dijon, but you can really taste it. We have Worcestershire sauce, just a teaspoon of that. It's smelling actually pretty good right now. A half a cup of whole milk. And the whole milk's just going to be a little more fat to hold everything together and just make it so very, very tasty. All right. Now you're going to add that into there. Now this is the fun part. This is just a sleeve of saltine crackers. Now you see I've got some that are a little bit big. And we have some hot pepper sauce. And this is fresh parsley from out in the garden. They say to do it with a fork. I don't know how in the world you'd mix all of this together. I'm better at using my fingers. And let's just get it all mixed in there. It feels so nice to be able to squish all this stuff together. It's going to be so tasty. But the best part about it is the sauce that we're going to put on top. This again is our ketchup, brown sugar, and vinegar. You don't want it to go down the side because you don't want it burning on the bottom of your pan. This is my daughter's recipe, and we've had people that don't eat meatloaf, and they were like, well, I didn't think I liked meatloaf, but this is really good. So again, the heat comes up on the sides and around the top, and it's indirect cooking. It's like the way your oven works. Okay, you want to open it?
Okay, so I learned that you have to burp it. Like that, you're burping it.
And then you can open it.
Oh my gosh.
And look at there.